So today we are still looking at scalar and vector quantities, then under physics. So we want to look at this question, calculate the resultant force around along along OY, NECO 2002. So now, you know that this is an obtuse angle because it's greater than what? 90. So how do you do it? You resolve it. So you have something like this and something like this. So now here is what? 120, here is 100, and here is what? 80. Here will also be 100, and here will also be what? 80. One of the properties of parallelogram tells you that opposite angles are what? Equal. Here is 120, here will also be 120, and here is, you can call here x, and here is what? X. So for you now to get the value of x, you have x plus 120 plus 120 is equals to 360. You have sum of angles in a parallelogram. So now we have x plus x, 2x plus 240 is equals to 360. I have 2x is equals to 360 minus 240, and 2x is equals to what? 120. Divide both sides by 2, x is equals to 60 degrees. So here is what? 60, and here is what? 60. So following the law of parallelogram, your resultant force is the diagonal run from the point of what? The intersection. So you're having something like this. So here is 100 Newton, here is 80 Newton, here is your theta, here is angle 60. So now for you now to get your resultant force R, you are using cosine rule. Are you there? For you to get your angle, your resultant force, you are using cosine rule. And cosine rule says that R square is equals to 100 square plus 80 square minus 2 times 100 times 80 plus what? 60. So R square is equals to 100 square is 10,000 plus 6400 minus 2 times 80 is 16. So you have 16000 plus 60 with your calculator. You give you 0 and 0.5. We take cos 60 from trigonometry, special angles is 1 over what? 2. So you have R square is equals to 16,400 minus 2 divided is 8,000. So you have 8,000. You have that R square is equals to 1 minus 16,400 minus 8,000. You have 8,400. So R9 is equals to square root of 8,400, and R is equals to square root of 8,400. 91.65. So resultant force is 91.65 or 92 newtons approximately. So the answer to the question is 92 newtons, and that is the value for a resultant force. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow for more physics tips. Thank you very much.